Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can send a meeting recap to your workspace members on Loom. So let us get started. So navigate to the web application of Loom, log into your account. Make sure that you're accessing your current workspace in the top left corner, and let's say for instance you have a screenshot or a video of a video meeting with your team members or workspace members, and now you'd like to send them, for instance, a recap of that meeting, for example, the video meeting itself. This is how you can enable that feature, guys. You will need to access your account settings here by clicking into that gear icon in the bottom left. And here in your settings, navigate to this tab here, settings, next to past meetings. Scroll down. And here for after meeting settings, make sure that you enable a meeting recap that will be sent via email, and give the invitees or meeting participants the opportunity to access, for example, the video recording with a recap, for example, of the entire meeting. And you can choose, for example, who you would like to send that recap: only you, only invitees, or invitees of the given workspace, or in general invitees, for instance, if you have invited them externally through an invitation link. And that's it. So it will probably set to only internal invitees, but you can go with any of these. And these changes will then be updated here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.